Hello, and welcome to another Saturday Storytime in Craft. I'm Mr. Cory, and this week we are going to be reading The Princess and the Pony. And we're also going to be making some DIY stickers, so it should be a lot of fun today. So let's get into our book. Like I said, it's called The Princess and the Pony. It is written and illustrated by Kate Beaton. In a kingdom of warriors, the smallest warrior was Princess Pinecone, and she was very excited for her birthday. Look at her big helmet. Most warriors get fantastic birthday presents: shields, amulets, helmets with horns on them, things to win battles with, things that make them feel like champions. Princess Pinecone got a lot of cozy sweaters. Warriors do not need cozy sweaters. Look at that one. That guy, he got like a falcon. It's pretty cool. This year, it would be different. Pinecone made sure to let everyone know exactly what she wanted. A big horse, a fast horse, a strong horse, a real warrior's horse. And they tried their best. But they didn't quite get it right. Look at this guy. I can't ride that, said Princess Pinecone. It's too small. It's too round. I think its eyes are looking in different directions. This was true, but only sometimes. But you can't say no to a birthday present. So she took the little pony to her room, where it ate things it shouldn't have. And it farted too much. Oh, P.U. Now, as it happens, a great battle was coming up, and battling is a warrior's favorite thing to do. The princess tried to teach the pony how to be a real warrior horse. But the pony was hopeless. We'll never be champions, Princess Pinecone sighed. The day of the great battle arrived. All the other warriors seemed very big and very tough. Just do your best, she told the pony. Look at it. The starting horn sounded, and what a battle it was. There was dodgeballs and spitballs and hairballs and square balls. Those were new. People were getting knocked out left and right. Pinecone stood at the very edge, looking for her chance to dive in. Just then, Otto the Awful, the meanest warrior of all, charged right for her. The crowd held its breath. Pinecone fumbled for her spitballs. Uh-oh. But Otto stopped in his tracks. His eyes grew very wide. "Aw," he said, "what a cute little pony. Who would want to hurt a roly-poly pony like you?" Warrior after warrior paused to admire the pony. What a cutie pie," said Sally Smash. "He's so round," said Carlos the Cruel. "Aw, he looks a bit like me," said Huge Harold. Pinecone was flabbergasted, flummoxed, floored. This was not how battle usually goes, she said. "You're right," said Otto, "but we warriors don't often get to show our cuddly sides." Princess Pinecone thought about it. "Well," she said, "I can help you with that." Soon, all the warriors had their own cozy sweater. And they were looking pretty cuddly for a bunch of brutes. Look at everybody's sweaters. Very cool. Everyone voted Pinecone and the pony the most valuable warriors of the day. Pinecone threw her arms around the pony. "You're the best horse a warrior could ask for," she cheered. "Nothing can stop a team like us." The little pony was so excited it lifted its tail and farted. Well, said Pinecone, we can work on that. The end. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that book. I thought it was really cute. Just like the little pony. He's like small and round with his tiny little legs. But now we are going to make some DIY stickers. So if you signed up for the kit, you'll have some sticker paper and some markers in there. This is going to be like another freeform craft, but in my little instructional part, I'm going to be making some stickers based off of some of the characters in the book. So I'm going to make one of the little pony, and I'm going to maybe make one of the princess, and I may even design my own warrior. So if you want, you can do the same and like design your own warrior or what you would be like if you were a warrior with your pony. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and have fun and get creative. So in the kit, there's the sticker paper and some markers. But if you want to use a different medium like crayons or color pencils, feel free to do so. It's totally up to you. When you are coloring, make sure to color on the blank white side and not the side that has like the grid pattern on it. That's like the back side of the sticker. So that's the side that's going to get peeled off and thrown away. But like I mentioned, this is sort of more of a freeform one, where you can like draw whatever you want on your sticker paper. You could either included, there's like 4 big squares. You can either draw like one big image per square, or you can draw a couple small images on it and then have a couple little tiny stickers. Either way, it's up to you. Like I mentioned, I did my first sticker based on the pony, and then I wound up coloring it yellow and green so it looks kind of like a little lemon pony. And then I also did a little doodle of myself wearing a cozy sweater, even though it's summer, so it's too hot for cozy sweaters now. But and then lastly, I drew some frogs because I love frogs. Frogs are cool. But yeah, whatever you want to draw, it's totally up to you. Just have some fun with it and make some cool stickers. After they're colored and everything, then I took some scissors and cut them out. Kind of went around and trimmed all the excess off, so that like there was like a small white border around them, and then that's pretty much it. So you have some stickers. So they're pretty thick stickers. So like when you're peeling the back off, just you may have to bend the corner a little bit to like get the back to start to peel off, but eventually they'll come off. I know the first time I was doing it, I had a little trouble with it, but they are stickers and the back does come off, so you should be able to get it off, no problem. But I hope you guys enjoy and make some cool stickers. All right then, so I hope your stickers turned out great. As always, definitely check out Suffolk Public Library's website, suffolkpubliclibrary.com, and go onto our calendar to see upcoming programs and events, as well as videos and stuff. So we are getting into summer programming. As I keep saying, there is a lot of stuff to do in person at the library, and there's still a bunch of stuff to do virtually if you would rather do stuff at home. I will be continuing doing Saturday Storytime and Craft, and there's other virtual programs as well. We also have stuff going on at the parks, so definitely go up there and see what's going on, because we got a lot of cool stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.